Hello Simon,
Hello Julie.
how are you doing?
Yeah, a bit chilly, but I'm okay.
Sure it's cold.
Yeah.
So we're here to talk about the de-icing system. Can you tell us how it works? What is it about first?
So more than de-icing, we're talking about ice management strategy applied to stackable bridge. In the winter months in northern country, we have some phenomena where ice and snow can accrete to the stay pipe. When uncontrolled, the ice will ultimately fall onto the carriageway, and this presents a massive risk for the bridge user. The solution that we are using on this bridge is to manage the consequences of the ice accretion phenomena. Meaning that we are not going to prevent the ice from forming onto the pipe, but we are ensuring that it stays onto the pipe and it will melt, it will not fall onto the car. So you can see this stay pipe is a piece of HDPE which protects the actual stay cable. It's equipped with a special rib. This special rib is a result of extensive study carried out by VSL in collaboration with Denmark Technical University and also Aarhus University. And so the special profile of this rib ensures that the ice is anchoring into the pipe, meaning that it will remain onto the pipe until it fully melts, unlike standard stay pipe, where the ice falls in big chunks and it's a major risk.
So what are the key benefits?
The key benefit for the client, I mean, he has a bridge, he wants the bridge to be open all year round and safe for the bridge user.
And is it the first time that we've implemented this de-icing system on a bridge?
So actually, we used it first in the US on the Chester Bridge, which is still under construction. Now the Chronosilat Bridge is the first bridge that we complete with the system. For upcoming project, we have a client and designer requesting ice management strategy to be implemented on the project. So this solution will be re-implemented in the future.
Is it a game changer in the construction industry?
A game changer, it's hard to say. For sure, VSL has developed many strategies related to this ice management plan. This solution can be preventing any ice from forming onto the pipe, can be removing the ice, can be keeping it onto the pipe. Many different options by chemical way, by heating the pipe, or electrical or mechanically. The solution that we're using here is a passive solution, meaning that there's no running cost. The pipe works and is efficient on itself, so it's a key benefit again for the client. And it can be combined with a method to remove the ice at a given time, so this can be implemented in the future.
Okay, thank you Simon, it's all clear.
Very nice, thank you.